Many of these MFJ Versa Tuners have a 12-volt lamp bulb that you can turn on if you provide power to the rear of the unit. Now at 13.8 volts it draws 0.05 amps or 50 milliamps. Now at 9 volts it's not as bright, but it still illuminates it. So this is a 9-volt battery that is rechargeable via USB port, nice and small and light. And instead of wiring a line down to my battery down there and having to worry about fusing and all that, I can just leave this behind my Versa Tuner, and if I need light, I can use some. So that particular battery is rated at 500 milliamp hours, so that should be about 10 hours plus of runtime on a charge. So if you want to make one of these, all you really need is the 2.5 millimeter jack that you can solder onto a 9-volt battery connector and the rechargeable 9-volt battery. You could, of course, use disposable 9-volt batteries, but I like the rechargeable battery pack nature of this. You could also just solder the wires directly to the rechargeable battery and then just charge the battery up if you're going to dedicate it to this purpose only. Now when you plug it in, it kind of has like an initial little click. You have to push it farther to get the full clunk, otherwise it won't turn on the light. And if anybody wants to know, the light bulb is 43.6 or 44 ohms of resistance inside of the meter. So that's what the meter light looks like at 9 volts.